The first altcoin that I've chosen to showcase to you guys today is going to be a bit of MKR coming through here. As you can see, all-time highs coming through, sat around that 6,328. As you can see from there, guys, we've had mass levels of resistance basically playing out continuously. Here, what we've seen recently is actually really quite progressive, and I will get to that when we zoom in a bit in terms of a breakout scenario. But you can see on the lower side here, we've got massive levels of support as well. So if we are going to be coming down at all here, massive crashes coming through, we know we've got 2,293 as a massive level of support, and that is gradually rising as we come up. But comparing the current price now around 3,060 there compared to the all-time high, we've still got literally over 100% to go there. So yeah, if the gains are really going to come in here, this is definitely one to watch, because I think it definitely has been lacking in terms of price action. Not recently, because we have seen parabolic motions coming through there, but just over the course since this insane May crash coming through there, what I would say is we haven't really set congruent higher lows that have really banged us to the moon, really. It's just been continuously challenging them along this sort of level around that 2,200 sort of level, where a lot of the other altcoins did actually come up here, invalidate a lot of these lower highs from the previous all-time high there, and then actually saw continuation to the upside. That's what a lot of these main coins have been doing. And now I think basically what Maker is doing, MKR, is basically playing a bit of catch up, right? In terms of a breakout scenario, this is why it's basically claimed my altcoin of the day today. We're literally sat in one. We're sat in one right now on a retest, looking for that golden pocket entry, that golden goose, that money-making entry coming through there. In terms of a long position, this is something I will be looking for here. In terms of a measure move, this is what I'm looking for. Very good, very progressive, looking for a price of around 3,853 there. In terms of a percentage for this gain, when we do have the continuation to the upside, it's 25 goddamn %. It's insane gains to the upside, guys. So yeah, definitely a position that I'm going to be looking out for. Obviously, you know the score with the whole staggering your take profits all the way up. We're not just going to go to the goddamn moon here. We're probably going to have some reversals coming through as well. And as you can see, mass level of support on this level here, but also big swings of resistance as well. When we lost this zone before, big swings of resistance. So if we can actually come up to this zone and we hit our first take profit, we take our stop loss, we move it to our entry point, and then if we do come down, we've already taken a massive lump of profit, guys, and it's still going to be a profitable trade at the end of the day. And that's what you do when you're going for these 25%ers here. You stagger your take profits basically all the way up there. And then if you do get any sort of reversal, you're actually prepared. You've already taken profit, and you're not greedy, because greed is not your friend in this game. But yeah, in terms of that's the breakout scenario that I would be looking for the daily. In terms of an entry, it's looking pretty golden right now. What I would say here is probably wait until the daily. I would be waiting here for the daily candle close here, because you can see we're on a daily pullback. If we can get a daily close above this pretty crucial trend line from the all-time highs there, then it's definitely a point to be looking out for. To be honest, just looking at it there, I would actually probably do something along the lines of this and get a bit of a trap zone coming through there, because you can see these wicks to the top side here, and yeah, you can see the support that we're literally it's probably around like that. That's the parallel sort of level. Yeah, so as you can see, guys, we're literally sat in that trap zone right now. So I probably really would be waiting until we got a daily candle close, probably above this 3,279 before any sort of crazy entry going through there. That's what I would be looking for congruency. But let's jump down to the shorter term time frame, because there is a lot going on. Because as you can see here, guys, huge spike up in the volume. Crazy stuff. What we did see yesterday, I do believe. You know what happens when we see this, guys. You know the analogy. You know Mount Everest. We know Mount Everest. We talk about this quite a lot. When we're climbing Mount Everest, big mountain here, guys, biggest in the world, we want that base camp one. We want the consolidation. We want to chill out. When we're going parabolic, this is not good. This is not good at all. You're not going to run up Mount Everest, are you? You're going to gradually walk. You're going to gradually walk. But if you're running, you need to rest. You need to rest at base camp 1 before taking another leg up to base camp 2. And that's basically what we're looking for here, guys. We're looking for a nice bit of consolidation along this sort of zone, and then we're looking for a nice juicy leg up from there, staggering take profits all the way up, looking pretty progressive. Now, let me jump down even to a smaller term time frame, because there is right now is a bit of a falling wedge chart pattern, I would say, guys. A falling wedge chart pattern, and obviously we are it's very steep and very steep coming through here, guys. What I would say from this high, is that if we are seeing falling wedge chart pattern like so, then we basically need to take into consideration that these usually break to the upside. And this is a minor sort of breakout scenario that we are seeing here. Just so you know, this isn't trend line. That's the measure move from before. So the breakout that we are seeing right now is looking something along the lines of this. In terms of measure move completion, we're near enough there, guys. Measure move completion is going to be around 3,100 for simplicity's sake. So yeah, interesting stuff. Definitely a few things to be looking out for there. But that is going to be your daily update today on MKR.